get the ingredients. You'll need salt and a potato.
Okay, got the potato. I'm gonna buy salt.
Don't buy it. Just rip the potatoes from their families and make it cry. Then harvest the salt from their tears.
But potato napping is wrong.
I know.
Then why would I do it, sir?
Because it's free.
I have money.
Do you want fries, right? Do you want fries, right? Fries, right?
Okay. I'll take the potatoes.
Okay, next, throw the potatoes into the sun. This will bake the potatoes to medium heat and cut them into strips.
I'm not that strong, and wouldn't it burn them in a second?
No. Just trust me. And there you have it, the perfect French fries. Make sure to like and subscribe to Chef Jeff Rogers for more food tutorials.